Mm-hmm.
Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Olson.
And Mr. Sherping.
Today, guys, we're going to be doing a lab called Toothpickase. Realistically, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to model enzymes by breaking toothpicks. Now, I'm going to kind of go through some of the instructions. Mr. Sherping over here is going to run the lab. Make sure, guys, that you guys take this data as we're going through, because you need this data for that Google form. Okay. So, first and foremost, in front of Mr. Sherping, he has 30 toothpicks. Okay. These toothpicks are going to act as our substrate. Okay. So we're going to break these and we're going to do a denaturing reaction. Now, with that being said, that makes Mr. Sherping the enzyme, and that makes his fingertips the actual active sites. Okay. So remember, that's your substrate fits into your active site, and that's actually where the reaction occurs. So what's going to happen here is that Mr. Sherping's going to close his eyes or cover his eyes, whatever happens, and I'm going to give him 10 seconds to break as many toothpicks as he possibly can. Now, there's a couple rules here. He can only break one toothpick at a time. He can't re-break toothpicks, and after he breaks them, he has to put them back in a stack. Now, any toothpick that falls or anything like that does not count as something breaking. Now, remember, guys, when we have these reactions, it's important that we break enough of them to make sure our body actually works and works efficiently. So, we're going to run the first trial. Okay, we're going to do this for 10 seconds, then another 10, then another 10, and then another 10. Okay, so let me get my phone out quick. I'll put up 10 seconds.
Make sure they're randomly spread out too.
Perfect. You ready to go?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's a lot harder to pick up than I thought. It's broken? No.
And stop. Perfect. So now we're going to count how many actually is broken. You can take your face down now.
Well, I can't see where it is.
It doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5?
5?
Yeah, 5.
5. So, on your guys' Google form, you should have a chart that looks something like, something like that. For under 10 seconds, guys, I want you to put the number 5. Okay? Now, with the 5 that he just broke, we're going to sprinkle them back into the mix so he cannot re-grab those. Remember, guys, he can only re-break, or he can only break fresh toothpicks. Now, we're going to do this for another 10 seconds, and we'll see how the numbers go this time. So, ready, set, go.
That's broken, right? Really? There we go.
Stop. Did you get 3 that time?
Yeah, I got 3.
Got 3 this time. So once again, guys. Oh, you don't put that there. You put this there. You put an 8. In your chart, guys, you're going to end up putting an 8 because he broke 3 this round, broke 5 the other round, giving us a total of 8 broken toothpicks. So 5 plus 3. Now, Mr. Sherping, is it getting harder to find toothpicks?
Oh, yeah.
So let's do it again, okay?
Yep.
Let me pull my stopwatch back up. Ready, set, go.
So hard to tell which one's broken and what's not.
And stop.
Just one.
So he got 1 toothpick that round. So in our chart, we went from 5 to 8, now to 9. We have one more time. We have one more 10. Oh, we have 2 more 10 seconds. You ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Stop.
Just one.
Just one. So now we have 10. So make sure, once again, guys, you put 10 in the box. So you should have 5, 8, 9, 10. We'll do this for the last time right now. Ready, set, go. And stop. So you got 2 that time.
Yep.
So now we went to 12 total. So make sure you guys have this data right here, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now, one thing you guys should have noticed is that Mr. Sherping started struggling to actually find toothpicks to break. Now, remember, the toothpicks are substrates. We don't have a lot of substrates. Can we do a lot of reactions? Those are going to be kind of your analysis questions, guys, but that's something to think about. Now, we're going to pause this quick. We're going to set up for the second part, then we'll be right back with you. Give us 1 second. Oh, that was long.
My hands are small enough already.
Welcome back, everyone. So, guys, we're going to be on part 2, and we're going to pretty much do the same exact thing. Once again, you guys should have a chart, something. There we go. Something like this, where that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, this time, Mr. Sherping's going to be acting as a denatured enzyme. So his active site is actually going to be manipulated. So originally, it was these 2 fingers. Now, rather than being these 2 fingers, he's going to cross his fingers and then be able to do it like this. Now, guys, if you're at home, you try this and try to do stuff, your dexterity is pretty off. Okay? Just remember, denaturing makes your enzyme not work as efficiently and sufficiently. Okay? So this isn't too good. Okay? So let's give it a shot. Same thing, 10 seconds. We have a brand new, fresh set of 30 toothpicks. Ready, set, go.
You get your whole body into move.
Stop. Did you get 2?
Yeah, I think so.
So, once again, guys, he got 2. So make sure you guys put a 2 on your chart. Now, is that a little bit harder?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it again for another 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. And stop.
Okay.
How many was that?
I think I got 3. 3
that time?
I think so.
Perfect. Good job.
Getting better at it.
So, remember, guys, we're going to add that 3 together. So now we're at 2 and the 5 for 20 seconds. Let's do it for 10 more. Ready, set, go. Stop.
So 2.
2 more. So we're going to have a 2, 5, then a 7. Let's do it again for another 10. Ready, set, go.
My gosh.
And stop.
So 0.
0. So we're going to put another 7 in, and he got 10 more seconds. Ready, set, go. And keep going, keep going.
Oh, I don't think I'm counting. My fingers aren't crossed.
Stop. So we got 2 more. So our data should look something like this. We got 2, 5, 7, 7, 9. Now, guys, you're going to fill this out. Make sure you guys do your graph and submit a photo of that. If you guys need help with the graph, please reach out to your teachers and ask. But the X and Y label should be labeled, all those different pieces. Now remember, before you get going, our toothpicks are our substrates, okay? We break them apart, making it a digestion reaction. Mr. Sherping was our enzyme. His fingers were the active site. And realistically, guys, we were just modeling or representing how our body actually breaks down and does reactions. If you guys have any questions about this, please reach out, please ask. Other than that, make sure you guys get this done. Have a good day.